So today we will see how to create a user and what are the required roles for a user to assign to start the development. So we have this user already. So with the help of this user, we will create a new user. Sorry, go to this navigator, security tools. In the security tool, security console, we can create a new user. So here you have seen on the left hand side multiple options. So click on the users. We will create a new user account. Save and close. Very simple. We have just created a user. Let's log in with this new created user. If this user has the same access or what earlier user has or not. If with the help of this user now we can create new user or not, like we have created with the previous one. Sign out. Now log in with the current user what we have created. So let's now try to create a new user with the help of this user what we have created. Sorry, it is taking time. So go to, so if you noticed, this user have very limited privileges. Go to tools. So as you can see, this user doesn't have the access on the security console. Also, if you click here on the user setting and actions, user short name, setting and actions, you will see this user also doesn't have access on the setup and maintenance. Why setup and maintenance is required? It is required to do the setup related to projects. So sign out. Again, log in with our previous older user. So as you can see, this user has access on so many modules and the privileges, functionalities. Here also you can see. This user has access on multiple settings and actions options, setup and maintenance. This is very much important. So go to user. This is the user, what we had created. Edit, add role. Because this user, we have created the user, but we didn't give any access roles or privileges to this user. Now we are giving so application implementation consultant. Why this is required? This role is required to give the access to the user on the setup and maintenance, what I had showed you on the right hand side, to do the project related setup. And now IT security manager. This role is required to give the access to the user so that user can create another users and roles and other things. So done, save and close. Log out. Sign out. Let's see if now this user have access on, can create another user and have access, required access to start the development or do the setup is not, or yes. So you can click here and check now this user has access on the setup and maintenance. Also go to the navigator, tools. Now as you can see, this user has access on all the functionalities as earlier user had. Now go to tools, and here as you can see, this user have access on the security console and other functionalities. These are basically privileges. So now this user itself can create another user and roles. So now log out from this user. I have just shown you how to create user and how to create the give the required roles. I am deleting this user because we have like we are not authorized to, this user has like limit to for a limited user. So from here you have also access to reset the password of the user. Now I am deleting this user. Yes. Okay. Now I will show you how to create the calendars. So go into the setup and maintenance. Now I will show you why this access setup and maintenance was required. I have created a one project already. Anyway, we will go through the some global links. Search fountain. Here you have the option manage accounting calendars. So we can create it. Well, from which date? Since we will do the development as per the US, so we take the US financial calendar from 1st Jan 2022. Separator is this. Monthly, quarterly, weekly, yearly. We have period frequency, so we are taking it monthly. Separator we are taking this. We have other options also. Format we are taking this, and we have other options also you can take. But since this is the standard one, and this is the adjusting period frequency, this is for to create the adjustment period. Though adjustment period is not mandatory, but it is recommended. So click on next. As you can see, we have created the calendar here. Now, if you click this, in the last, if you have noticed, there is one, this is the adjustment period. So this adjustment period is only for the 1 day. So save. After saving, we will have the access on some more options. System will show us some more options to create the period for next year also. Sorry for inconvenience. Seems instance is slow. As you can see now, we have access on some more options. With this add year, we can create the period for next year also. So let's click on this. Save. As you can see, the period has been created for the 2024 next year. After saving, that option will also be available in this pop list. So today we have learned how to create the calendar, how to create users, and how to assign the required roles to the users. What are those required roles? Application implementation consultant and the IT security manager. Please note down those roles. That can be an interview question. In the next session, we will learn how to upload or create the currency for each specific, like if our company will operate in the US or in the India. As per that, we will create the enable the currency and the chart of account. Chart of account is like a backbone of any industry. I will explain you what is chart of account and how to create that. So as you can see now, this available, it is saved. Cancel it. Let's check if in system it is created successfully or not. Yes, it is created successfully. So thank you for watching this video. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.